Hello YouTube, today at powerjackrepair.org. Wrong camera. Powerjackrepair.org, we got a Asus motherboard, small tiny motherboard. When you unplug it from the main motherboard, you see those pins? You need to be pulling out it like that. Lift up the main motherboard a little bit and pull out the board like that. The jack on the motherboard is bad, that's a replacement jack right here. We got replacement jacks in stock for all of them. You can buy this replacement jack from the link below, from our website below. So as you can see, this one has pins sticking out, and this one has a black round piece right there. So what happens is when the power plug, this is a power plug for this kind of laptop, you see there is a pin inside of that plug. When that pin gets crooked to the left, to the right, up or down, when you plug it in, it breaks that inner black piece, and you will get a pins like that exposed right there. You see how they spread out, and those center two pins, they're supposed to grab onto this guy right here, to the pin right here. But because that pin is crooked, you plug it in, the black piece breaks, that one, and yeah, so you need to replace the jack. There is no way around it. So let me show you how to replace the jack. The prices are above if you want to send the whole laptop. If you want to send in just the motherboard, send this board. I will desolder this guy, solder a new one in. So what's good about this situation is there's not much components nearby, so we're just gonna put some insulation right here. All right, and then we're gonna put a little bit insulation right there. So once all of the insulation is in place, make sure not to bend any of those pins. Don't stick yourself because they look extremely sharp. So the goal here is to add some flux to the points right there. Add some leaded base solder. Use some hot air to pop this guy out, and put this guy in right there, like that. So I need to mark that this is top. All right, this is bottom. All right, so this is bottom. I don't think the jack gonna go any other way. Yeah, looks like that. Let me show you how to get this thing done. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna be adding some flux to the top part. Alright, then we're gonna point the hot air like that, and once the soldering iron heats up, we're gonna add a little bit. Let's power up the hot air. Let's add some solder right there, some solder right there, solder right here, solder right here. Let's put it onto one of those razors. Alright, so the thing is the solder didn't penetrate the other side. That's the reason why it didn't wanna come out easy. Alright, so like that. Alright. We reduce the hot airflow. And what we wanna do next is we wanna remove all of the solder from the holes. Like that. And like that. Okay. Looks beautiful. What I want to do here is clean up the Alrighty. Looks good to me. Let's see if the jack gonna sit in there nicely. Yep, the jack sits in there just fine. So what I wanna do is add some plugs all around, like that. Alright. Alrighty. Let's clean this guy up. Here. Let's clean up right there. Beautiful. And beautiful. Okay. Let's remove all of the tape. Beautiful job. You see? Excellent work. All right. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and if you have exactly the same problem, send it my way. I could fix it up for you. Prices are above. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye. I just want to show you that I need to check to make sure that the positive is positive. All right, so we got positive right here, from here going to here, and ending up on those 3 pins. That's just 6 pins. 6 pins are right here. All right. This guy, let's see if this guy is conducting anywhere here. Yeah, this one is on the 3rd pin from the bottom. Yeah, that's a data signal. All right. And then the negative is right here. Oh, we flooded the whole thing. All right. Yes. Just want to dry it up a bit more. All right. Just for the future, the layout is this negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so those 5s are negatives right here. No, except this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of those right here are negatives. Negative, 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 negative. Positives are those 6 right here. This is positive. 6 right there. And the data signal is right here, third one from this side. And the rest is the power button here. All right? Again, thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and take care. Thanks. Bye.